Mole and the Baby Bird by Marjorie Newman, illustrated by Patrick Benson, as read by Kim Lang. Mole found a baby bird. It had fallen out of its nest. Mole waited and waited, but no big bird came to help it. So Mole took the baby bird home. He made a nest for it. "Look, Mum," he said. "It's very hard to take care of a baby bird," said Mum. "They usually die," said Dad. "My bird won't die," said Mole. His friends helped him find food for the baby. Mum showed him how to feed it. Mole fed it whenever it chirped, and the bird didn't die. It grew. "It's my pet bird," said Mole. "It's not a pet bird, it's a wild bird," said Mum. The bird fluttered its wings. "Your bird is trying to fly," said Mum. "No," cried Mole, "it mustn't fly." Mole found some wood and some nails. He borrowed Dad's toolbox. "What are you making?" asked Dad. "I'm making a cage for my pet bird," said Mole. "It's not a pet bird, it's a wild bird," said Dad. "You should let it fly." "No," cried Mole. He put his bird into its new cage. The bird was sad. Mum was sad too. But Mole kept his bird because he loved it. Then Grandad came to visit. And he looked at Mole's pet bird. Presently Grandad said, "Let's go for a walk, little Mole." Grandad took Mole to the top of a high hill. Mole looked down at the trees far below. He felt the wind trying to lift him. "Whee! I'm flying!" cried Mole. "Nearly," said Grandad. When Mole got home, he looked at his bird. It was sitting very still in its cage in Mole's dark, underground room. "Birds are meant to fly," said Mole. And he opened the cage door and he let his bird fly away because he loved it. And then he cried. Next day, Mole went into the forest. He saw his bird flying, soaring free, and Mole was glad.